Welcome back to our channel, where we empower you with knowledge to live a healthier life. Today's video is all about managing diabetes by controlling sugar levels naturally. If you or someone you know is living with diabetes, these 14 tips will help you take charge of your health. So, let's dive right in. Tip 1. Balanced diet and portion control. Eating a balanced diet is crucial for managing diabetes. Focus on consuming a variety of nutrient-rich foods, including whole grains, lean proteins, healthy fats, and plenty of fruits and vegetables. Portion control is also important as it helps regulate blood sugar levels. Remember, it's not just about what you eat, but how much you eat. Speaking of portion control, here's a quick tip. Fill half of your plate with non-starchy vegetables, 1/4 with lean protein, and 1/4 with whole grains or starchy vegetables. It's a simple and effective way to maintain a balanced diet. Tip 2. Regular physical activity. Incorporating regular physical activity into your routine is an excellent way to manage diabetes. Engaging in activities like walking, cycling, swimming, or dancing can help lower blood sugar levels, improve insulin sensitivity, and enhance overall well-being. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week. If you're just starting, consider activities like brisk walking or light jogging. Gradually, increase your intensity and duration over time. Remember, always consult your healthcare provider before starting any exercise program. Tip 3. Mindful eating. Mindful eating is a powerful tool for managing diabetes. It involves paying attention to your body's hunger and fullness cues and savoring each bite. By slowing down and listening to your body, you can prevent overeating and make healthier food choices. Try incorporating mindfulness into your eating routine by including colorful fruits and vegetables. Not only are they packed with essential nutrients, but their vibrant colors can also make your meals more visually appealing. Tip 4. Adequate sleep. Did you know that sleep plays a vital role in managing blood sugar levels? Poor sleep can disrupt insulin production, leading to insulin resistance and higher blood sugar levels. Aim for 7-9 hours of quality sleep every night. Establish a relaxing bedtime routine to promote better sleep. Avoid electronic devices. Create a peaceful sleep environment. And try relaxation techniques like deep breathing or reading a book before bed. Tip 5. Smart grocery shopping. Smart grocery shopping is essential for managing diabetes. Here are a few tips. Make a shopping list. Read food labels to check for added sugars. Opt for whole foods instead of processed ones, and choose healthy snacks like nuts, seeds, or Greek yogurt. Remember, knowledge is power when it comes to making informed choices. Take your time while shopping and be mindful of the ingredients you're putting into your cart. Tip 6. Stress management. Stress can significantly impact blood sugar levels, so it's essential to find healthy ways to manage it. Engage in activities like meditation, deep breathing exercises, yoga, or hobbies that bring you joy and relaxation. Take a few minutes each day to focus on your breath and calm your mind. It can make a world of difference in managing stress and, in turn, controlling your blood sugar levels. Tip 7. Healthy cooking methods. How you cook your food matters when it comes to managing diabetes. Opt for healthy cooking methods like grilling, baking, steaming, or sautéing instead of deep frying. These methods help retain nutrients while minimizing the use of unhealthy fats. For example, try baking or grilling chicken instead of frying it. You'll still get that delicious flavor without the added unhealthy fats. Tip 8. Hydration. Staying hydrated is essential for everyone, especially those living with diabetes. Drinking enough water helps maintain healthy blood sugar levels and supports overall well-being. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water per day. And remember to listen to your body's thirst cues. Make water your go-to beverage throughout the day. You can also infuse it with natural flavors like lemon, cucumber, or mint to add a refreshing twist. Tip 9. Educate yourself. Education is key to managing diabetes effectively. Take the time to learn about the condition, its symptoms, treatment options, and lifestyle modifications. Knowledge empowers you to make informed decisions about your health. Explore resources like books, reputable websites, or consult healthcare professionals to expand your understanding of diabetes. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to control your sugar levels naturally. Tip 10. Embrace whole foods. Whole foods are your allies in managing diabetes. They are packed with essential nutrients, fiber, and antioxidants that help regulate blood sugar levels. Incorporate whole grains, fresh fruits, vegetables, legumes, and lean proteins into your meals. A colorful salad with leafy greens, tomatoes, carrots, and grilled chicken is not only delicious, but also a diabetes-friendly meal. Get creative with your whole food choices and enjoy the benefits they offer. Tip 11. Monitor your blood sugar levels. Regularly monitoring your blood sugar levels is crucial for managing diabetes effectively. Work closely with your healthcare team to determine the optimal frequency and method of testing. Whether it's through finger pricks, continuous glucose monitoring systems, or other methods, consistent monitoring empowers you to make necessary adjustments to your diet and lifestyle. Tip 12. The power of support. Surround yourself with a supportive community of family, friends, and fellow diabetics. Share your experiences, struggles, and triumphs. Having a strong support system can provide encouragement and motivation on your journey. Consider joining local or online support groups where you can connect with others who understand what you're going through. Together, you can share insights and learn from one another. Tip 13. Smoothies and juices. Smoothies and juices can be a refreshing way to incorporate fruits and vegetables into your diet. However, be mindful of their impact on blood sugar levels. Choose low-glycemic fruits and pair them with fiber-rich ingredients like leafy greens or chia seeds. For example, a green smoothie made with spinach, cucumber, avocado, and a small amount of low-glycemic fruit like berries can be a nutritious and diabetes-friendly option. Tip 14. Regular checkups. Last, but certainly not least, regular checkups with your healthcare team are essential for managing diabetes. These visits allow your healthcare provider to monitor your overall health, assess the effectiveness of your treatment plan, and make any necessary adjustments. Don't skip your appointments, even if you're feeling well. Prevention and early intervention are key to maintaining good health and effectively managing diabetes. And that wraps up our video on how to control sugar levels naturally with these 14 tips for diabetics. Remember, managing diabetes is a journey, and these lifestyle modifications can make a significant impact on your well-being. Stay positive, stay motivated, and take charge of your health. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit from this information. And as always, remember to subscribe to our channel for more empowering content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.